One element that led to the tulip's cachet as a status symbol was the fact that the tulip supply was extremely restricted. Growing a normal tulip bulb from seed takes 7 to 12 years, and each bulb only produces one flower per year for 2 or 3 years. In contrast, the most exotic varieties featured petals with intricate lines and attractive patterns in vivid hues. So again, what kind of a question is this? Is kind of the first thing we want to ask. It's a transition word. And when we see transition words, we want to say, what's the relationship? So our first sentence says one element that led to its cachet as a status symbol was the fact that the supply was extremely restricted. That sounds like an introductory sentence. That sounds like some information that's kind of general that we're then going to give examples of. So our next sentence is one example of why it was restricted, right? Each bulb only produces one flower, growing a normal tulip takes 7 to 12 years. And then this next sentence, the most exotic varieties featured petals with intricate lines and attractive patterns in vivid hues. This looks like another reason why it had cachet as a status symbol. So which answer choice sort of shows continuation? In contrast, doesn't work. That's not continuation. However, doesn't work. That's not continuation. Finally doesn't really work because this isn't an example of why the tulip supply was extremely limited. This was another element. So we don't really need a transition word here, right? We could say something like another element, but we don't have that here. So we're going to pick answer choice J.